In this video, I'll show you how to use the voice changer effects in CapCut for Windows PC. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So I've got this video inside the media bin and I'll add it to my timeline. Let's play it slightly. In this video, I'll show you how to add, that's my voice. So let's assume you wanted to change this into a robotic voice or whatever you want. With your audio or video with the audio selected, go to audio. And then you can add the voice filter effects. Turn it on, and once you turn on, by default, none of those effects is applied. But from this drop down, you can see we've got elf, deep, high, low, mic hog, echo, distorted, low battery, chipmunk, robot, electronic, tremble, synth, vinyl, lo-fi, and megaphone. So you need to download the different voices, but let's assume we use the robot. If I click on that, we have different strengths that can be applied to that particular voice from 0 to 100. Let's leave it at 100 and then play our clip right here.
In this video, I'll show you how to add and use markers and
the voice is already robotic. So if you do not want people to recognize who it is, then you can use that. Let's actually decide to go for, let's say, something like megaphone. Export markers from your composition in the script. Kind of sounds like a megaphone. Let's say we actually download one. Let's say something like low battery. Let's get that as well and see the effect. Click on that.
welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well.
So that sounds like a low battery. But simply put, there are a ton of voice effects that you can use right here in CapCut for Windows PC, but it's up to you to test them out, see what works for you, and then try them out on your own audio or video with audio. So that's how you can use the voice changer effects in CapCut for Windows. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.